Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Begin by placing the BMW X3 in park and pressing the Start/Stop button once without starting the engine to reach ignition mode. This powers the dash and controls. If your X3 uses a key, turn to position 1 only. Locate the odometer display or the iDrive screen's vehicle status menu. These show oil service data. Wait approximately 5 seconds after ignition mode engages so systems initialize. Never start the engine during this setup, or you will exit service menus and have to repeat the steps. If your X3 has iDrive, press the controller to open the main menu and select Vehicle Info, then Vehicle Status. Scroll to Oil Data or Service Items to view the oil service interval and remaining kilometers. Choose Reset Oil or Confirm Service, and then press and hold the controller or the on-screen confirmation for about 10 seconds until a progress bar or confirmation appears. When the system confirms the reset, the oil service indicator will clear. Exit menus and verify the dash no longer shows the service warning. For X3 models without iDrive, use the instrument cluster controls. With ignition on, press the odometer or BC board computer button until the service menu or oil service message appears. Press and hold the trip reset knob or BC button firmly for roughly 10 seconds. The display should show a countdown or switch to 100% or display a confirmation message when the reset completes. If nothing happens, turn ignition off, wait 5 seconds, then repeat the exact sequence once more. After a successful reset, start the engine briefly to verify no service lamp remains illuminated.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.